Benefits of walking. The physical and mental benefits of walking cannot be overstated. It is a low-impact workout that can be performed anywhere, at any time, and without the use of any specific tools. We'll go over the many advantages of walking and why it's a terrific complement to your daily routine in this article. Advantages to your body. Walking is a great exercise that will strengthen your heart and circulatory system. Blood pressure is lowered, heart disease risk is decreased, and blood sugar levels are improved. Moreover, it fortifies bones and joints, lowering the danger of osteoporosis and arthritis. Mental advantages. Walking improves mental health by bringing down stress and anxiety. Moreover, it can lessen the effects of sadness and raise mood levels generally. Going outside is a wonderful way to experience nature and appreciate the environment, which promotes pleasure and well-being. Also, sociability can be enhanced and a sense of community can be created by going for a walk with a friend or in a group. Loss of weight. Walking helps people lose weight and burns a lot of calories. You can attain your weight loss objectives by walking briskly for 30 to 60 minutes each day. It is also a fantastic strategy to keep weight off and avoid gaining it back. Longevity. Walking frequently can lengthen life and lower the danger of dying young, according to studies on lifespan. It is a low-impact activity that can be performed by people of all ages, making it a fantastic way to stay active and healthy all of your life. Conclusion. Walking is a quick and easy technique to boost both your physical and mental wellness. To sum it up, improved cardiovascular health, weight loss, and increased longevity are just a few of its many advantages. Take advantage of the many advantages of walking by donning your walking shoes, going outside, and walking.